food seasoning.
Food seasoning. Now let's get started. First, we need to cut the food. I sprinkle the what?
Food seasoning.
I sprinkle the food seasoning on the rice, the cooking rice.
Cooked rice.
Cooked rice. And then another one. I mixed up the cooked rice and the seasoning. Next, I pick up the cooked rice and then I rub it into a bowl, a round shape. Ta-da! It's done. Look, it looks like an oval.